Woolworths is warning everybody to be careful because apparently there is some scam artist that is using Woolworths name, and then they are take people's money using fake websites. So Woolworths is saying just be careful, don't go on any website but the Woolworths.co.za website when you order things online. Be careful, guys, and don't just put your banking details anywhere. Check if the website is right, and so they can't take money out of your account because it's so dangerous, and it's festive, and you know what's going on. And any time of the day, the scam artists are so clever for us. They just take money out of our accounts without us knowing even. And another thing, just don't order anywhere with your banking details. Another safety way also that a bank told me what to do is use your virtual account details. Don't use your normal account details, guys. That will help you a lot.